Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to view another calendar in Microsoft Outlook. If you want to check your coworkers' availability or scheduled meetings more efficiently, we will walk you through it step by step. We will show you how to access shared calendars with ease. On your Outlook dashboard, go to Calendar. You can find Calendar in the upper left part of your screen. It's right here. Just click on it. If you want to access someone's calendar, click Share and request permission from your contact. You enter their email address and then click to share with them. Once they grant you permission, you will be able to view their calendar here. Their name will appear, and once you click their name, for example, birthdays or other shared calendars, their activities will show up here. Keep in mind that you need their permission before you can access their calendar. Now you know how to view others' calendars in Outlook. We can now schedule meetings and coordinate with our team more effectively.